All English Podcast.
Welcome back to All English Podcast, the place where we learn English with fun, confidence, and real communication. I'm Sarah, and today we're diving into one of the most powerful mindset shifts in language learning: how to stop translating in your head and start thinking in English.
Hey everyone, I'm Emre, and I'll be your student voice for today. Because, to be honest, I still translate everything from Turkish to English in my head before I speak.
And that's totally normal. Almost every learner does that at first. But the goal is to train your brain to think directly in English, like native speakers do. Let's figure out how.
Okay, Sarah, but why do I translate? I mean, it just happens.
Exactly, because your brain is doing what it's trained to do. You've built strong connections between English words and Turkish words. So your brain goes like this. First, it thinks ev, then it translates it to house. Then the brain says, okay, now speak.
That's exactly what happens. It's like a mini Google Translate in my head.
Right, but translation slows you down and makes your sentences sound unnatural. Instead of feeling the language, you're decoding it. The trick is to rewire your brain, to connect English words directly to meaning, not to your native language.
So it's like learning to drive. At first you think about every move, but later your body just does it.
Perfect example. Yes, exactly like driving. Let's test something. I'll say a sentence in English, and I want you to not translate it. Just imagine the situation. Ready?
Let's go.
The sun is setting behind the mountains. What did you see?
A picture. I saw like a beautiful sunset, orange sky. Not the Turkish words, just the image.
Exactly. That's thinking in English, connecting words to images, emotions, experiences.
So, the more I imagine, the less I translate.
Boom! That's the secret. Visualization plus repetition is thinking in English. All right, let's teach our listeners how to actually train their brain to think in English. Here are 5 super practical techniques. 1. Name things around you. Look around you right now, your room, your desk, your coffee mug, and say their names in English. Not what is mug in English, just mug. Done.
I do that when cooking. Knife, spoon, onion, salt. My mom thinks I'm crazy.
That's perfect. You're rewiring your brain every time. 2. Narrate your day. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing like a mini vlog in your head. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm opening the window. I'm getting dressed.
I actually tried that, but I forgot some words and stopped.
That's okay. The goal isn't perfection, it's exposure. If you forget a word, just describe it. Like the thing you use to cut bread. 3. Short English zones. Set mini English zones during your day, for example, 15 minutes of only English thinking. When you walk, when you shower, when you cook, everything you think in English.
That's cool. I can start with 5 minutes after breakfast.
Exactly, and increase it gradually. 4. Replace subtitles. Watch your favorite shows in English with English subtitles, not your language. Your brain starts linking English to English.
That's how I learned words like awkward and literally.
See? That's natural learning in action. 5. Mini conversations with AI or friends. Use chatbots or friends, just practice short, natural chats. Don't overthink grammar.
Yeah, I talk to ChatGPT. Sometimes it never gets tired.
Exactly. Free 24/7's English partner.
So what mistakes should we avoid when trying to think in English?
Good question. Here are a few. Translating word by word. Getting angry at yourself for mistakes. Focusing too much on grammar. Instead, focus on rhythm, sound, emotion.
So English isn't about being perfect, it's about being connected.
Exactly. Language is connection, not perfection. Every time you think in English, even for a few seconds, you're building new pathways in your brain. At first, it feels slow. Then one day, you realize you didn't translate at all. You just spoke.
That's when English becomes part of who you are.
Exactly. So to everyone listening, start small, but start today. Talk to yourself, imagine in English, dream in English. Because fluency isn't built overnight. It's built thought by thought.
And no more mini Google Translate in your head.
Exactly. Thanks for listening to All English Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe, leave a comment, and tell us, what's one English thought you had today?